toys.
Family.
Kids with
My
toys.
Little Pony.
Kids with toys.
Star Wars.
Kids with toys.
Transformers.
Kids with toys.
Lego.
Kids with toys.
G.I. Joe.
Yo, Joe! Okay,
Hey, it's me, Mark, and with me today is...
Thomas.
And today we are going to be doing a live unboxing. So what have we got in front of us? It's a box, and it's a mystery. Thomas,
I've
what it is.
actually not seen what it is.
Okay,
which
so
is a bit...
Let me put in my spy cam into the screen as well. There we go. There's spy cam. So, okay, Thomas, I'm going to flip it over. So let's see, what is it?
Ooh!
It is a G.I. Joe
Cobra assault.
classified
Assault trooper?
Cobra Infantry. This guy's
I
called.
thought it was like an assault.
Okay. Do you want to take this big bad boy out of the package? I've cut the wrapping already, so.
Oh, that's gonna be easy then.
Have you seen pictures of him before?
No, not many.
Not many. Okay. Yeah. I don't want to get you too excited about this guy because he's been hard to find. So there he is in his bubble wrap. What's he got?
Bum.
What's he got?
It's not called bubble wrap.
Well, okay, whatever it is, the plastic
He's got a knife.
container. So he's got a knife.
Isn't that a shotgun?
Yeah.
It's pretty much a shotgun.
Nice nerfy shotgun.
Mhm.
His helmet. There's the guy, and he's got two pistolas.
Why are you saying it like Major Blood?
He's got two pistolas.
Mm,
Okay,
Major
want to pop them
Blood.
out of the wrap? Probably do it from behind. Like that.
He's so blue.
So blue, yeah.
I'm blue, no
Double
blue.
beady blue. Put him down there. There it goes. How's it fit on? Does it just pop on? Secure. Hello there, matey.
I'm blue. If I was green, I would die.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to.
Which one are you trying to get out now?
The knife.
You can do some phone pointing, and I'll try and get the stuff out. So we're going to go for the knife first. Yeah, so get the old sellotape off. Chuck it on the floor. Don't keep it pointed. There you go. So there's the knife.
It can go in his thing there.
Yep. And that's a big gun. Let me pop this big gun out. You hold on to that a second. Hold on to that. And here we go, big gun. And then we can put the things on, okay? Oh, look, it's got a thing on the side of the gun there.
Did he come with a backpack or something?
Well, the original release did have a backpack, I think, but this guy didn't. So I wonder if that clip on the side still does anything. I reckon that gun probably goes the other way around. Oh, maybe not. I'm not sure. Ah, and he's got a little holster on his back as well. Again, I reckon that's the other way around. Yeah. Let's stick that there. Yeah, that's a better fit, isn't it?
Yeah.
And yeah, okay, so he's
And
got...
then if you wanted to put on a backpack or something, you can put.
Yeah, he's got 3 holes on his back by the looks of things where it probably can fit. Look at this, just the top of our heads. Yeah, okay. So,
Man, this guy is not good at standing around.
No, I
is
think
he?
it's our fault. It's our little white stand. Yeah, he's looking smart.
On the screen, it looks like that's a green screen almost.
Green screen. Yeah, look, I love his expression and these details. What can we pick out? There's
He is human.
yeah, he's got the great holster on the front, which I think is probably the gun's still the same way around. He's got this knife on the front. Can have his gun on his back. Another holster there.
Wait,
And
he's
yeah,
got the Cobra symbol, the
Cobra's-
classic.
Yeah, classic Cobra symbol, looking great. And this helmet. How you hold the camera a second while I am. See if what's that like? It's there's the rest of him. You know, even with out the helmet, that masked look is pretty cool. And then
It reminds me of a Firefly almost.
yeah, a little bit. You could paint him grey and be a firefly. So it's a kind of ridge inside the helmet, which
No,
must
I was
help.
thinking of like the new Firefly suit.
Oh right, the green one.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold that there. Yeah, so yeah,
He probably-
the helmet is pretty secure. You can actually pick him up by his helmet, bedoing, and he'll stay still. So yeah, cool.
Bye.
Bye. So what do we reckon, Thomas? How
Um,
does this guy look like? He stands up against all of the rest of your Joes, your classifieds.
Well, he'd probably lose, knowing the Cobra infantries.
Well, yeah, being a Cobra infantry, you probably would lose. I was thinking more along the lines of how he ranks in terms of the coolness of this figure versus
Oh,
the others.
I think there are some of them he would sort of match up with, and some of them he'd be better.
Yeah,
than.
I don't know. I think he might be one of my favourites. He's looking pretty cool. Yeah.
Yeah, bye.
Okay. All right. Well, so that was our unboxing experiment.
And we'll see you soon.
Okay.
Bye.